Welcome to Many Millions, where we focus on the many reps and the million moments it takes to build a trading career.
Welcome back, traders. Day number 4 of the A versus B setup prop firm challenge. So I'm going to start off here. I actually had a B setup that I ended up getting out of first thing this morning, and I wasn't able to capture that. So today was one of my days in the office, and you'll see how that plays into how I trade and what I do. So first trade that I'm going to show you here was a B setup. Obviously, it's crossed over that 9 EMA, but I am a little concerned here about volume. It seems to be drying up a little bit. But it does stay to the positive side, so I feel pretty good about it. Go ahead and enter. And immediately starts working in my favor. I even want to scale in here a little bit as it starts working. Scaled in another 4 lots, so I started with my standard 8 lots. But as soon as I could see this candle was going to respect the 9 EMA, I went ahead and scaled in a little bit more. And as it started to hesitate here, I worried it was going to go back down to the bottom. Took my $130 profit and called it good on that B setup. This next B setup that you see here was a decent setup, honestly. But I've mentioned this several times before. I prefer my strategy to have kind of a double bottom or at least some kind of consolidation at the bottom, right? We don't have that here. And so even though I'm getting a B setup and I've got bullish divergence, I don't have full conviction in this trade. And it pulls against me, stays against me most of the time. I'm looking to get out of it, even at break even, because I keep thinking it's going to go back down and do a double bottom. And sure enough, it did. I got out of that trade. I've now switched accounts. This is my first A setup. I have my bullish divergence. I had everything I wanted in this trade. Let me tell you the gotcha here, because it starts working in my favor. Everything's going great. But a day in the office for me means I'm in meetings, I'm taking phone calls, and so one of my rules is that I am not allowed to trade distracted at all. I need pure focus on my trading, and if that's not possible, then I need to close that trade, whether that's a win or a loss. I'm out. So about this time, and it looks so good. It's respecting the 9 EMA as it continues to track here. You'll see it bounce down to the 9 EMA, but respect it and go right back up. Was loving this trade and would have loved to have stayed in it. These are actually the trades that I have been staying in on longer, simply because they moved the right way. They don't have the volatility that you saw previously, but as I took that phone call, I had to close the trade. So you can see now where that ended up. I have it on display now for you. It actually went clear up to my 3x ATR that my indicator offers. I don't know if I'd have taken it clear up to there. I probably would have closed it right at the VWAP. That was my area. But yeah, just a tough break. Still a green day, and I can't complain. Now comes time for accountability. You're going to hear it. It's my mantra, accountability. And I think accountability honestly drives discipline. That's why I kind of thrive on it a little bit. I think you almost have to as a trader. You have to hold yourself accountable, because then you truly can detect and figure out where you're lacking, where you need to improve. And I'm always trying to do that in a lot of aspects, not just trading, in every aspect of my life. So I've got this turned on right now. It's only looking at my 030 account. If you remember, that's my A+ setups. We're looking better now. We're at 60% win rate, a 1.86 profit factor. Daily win rate is 66.67%, just great. Max drawdown here, looking really good. Recovery factor, still not quite there, right? Whatever they base that off of. And my consistency, honestly, I haven't had enough trades to expect much consistency. So scroll down here. I had that $108 single trade today, right? We looked at that. This was I'm going to pull it back up because it was just such a killer. And I have not gone in here and done my emotions yet. So I need to do that. But such a good trade. Would have been in here, skilled in extra here, had to get out there when I could have taken it clear up to the top here. So tough break, but it is what it is. I still prefer that to distracted trading. I've lost way too much money trading distracted. So it's all right. I'm on course for a great week. I'm up $320 on the week, and wish that had been a $400 or $500 trade, but we'll see what the rest of the week brings. Let me switch over to my 031 account, my B setups, we're at a 46% win rate, 0.9 profit factor, 50% daily win. And then you can see here where my 132 trades here. So I had 52 in that first one, 102 in the second, and then 22 in the third, a $22, $23 loss. So really not bad on the day, even on my B setups. Puts me almost back to break even on the day, so kind of funny. We're not even in it quite a full 5 days, a whole week, but overall, I guess I'm in 50, what is that, $53 in drawdown. Yeah, $55 in drawdown, I guess. Can't do math. But yeah, feeling pretty good about it overall. We'll keep these stats going, and I'll see you in the next one.